In today's video, we're going to dive deep into everything about Crypto.com. This isn't just a quick overview. I'm going to talk about the key pros, cons, the features, the fees, and how it compares to other popular crypto exchanges. By the time you're done watching, you'll have a solid idea of whether Crypto.com is the right fit for you or if you should be looking elsewhere. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about security. When it comes to crypto, security is absolutely crucial. You want to make sure that your funds and personal information are safe, right? Well, one thing that stands out about Crypto.com is its reputation for security. It's one of the more trusted names in the industry, which is definitely a good thing. Now, what exactly makes Crypto.com secure? Well, they've got all the usual features you'd expect from a solid exchange. Things like two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your account, insurance policies on digital assets, and end-to-end encryption to keep your data safe. These are all crucial measures that give users peace of mind, especially when we're dealing with digital currencies, which can be more vulnerable to theft or hacks compared to traditional financial assets. So, if security is a big priority for you, Crypto.com certainly holds up in that department. But as with any platform, it's important to remember that security is a continuously evolving process, and no platform is 100% risk-free. That said, Crypto.com has a good track record and plenty of safeguards in place to minimize risk. Now let's talk about features. One thing Crypto.com does really well is offering a wide range of services. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to manage your crypto, you've got a lot to choose from. Crypto.com isn't just an exchange. It's a complete ecosystem that offers a whole host of tools and services to help you get involved in the crypto world. They have the Crypto.com app, which is super user-friendly, especially for beginners who are just getting started. This app is great for managing your crypto portfolio, buying and selling coins, and even earning rewards through staking or cashback with their Visa cards. However, keep in mind that the app is aimed more at casual users and people new to crypto, so it might not offer the more advanced trading features that some experienced traders might be looking for. Then there's the Crypto.com exchange, which is a completely different product. While you can access both through the same account, the exchange is where things get a bit more serious. It has a more advanced trading interface with lower fees and more powerful tools for things like chart analysis and trading strategies. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Crypto.com has a product that can suit your needs. Apart from these core products, Crypto.com also gives you access to some pretty cool stuff, like NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which are taking the art and digital collectibles world by storm. Plus, they offer metal Visa cards, which allow you to spend your crypto like cash and earn cashback rewards on your purchases. They also have various loyalty programs, offering benefits like higher rewards and lower fees for long-term users. Additionally, Crypto.com supports over 25 fiat currencies, making it easy for users in different countries to buy crypto directly with their local currency. It's also important to understand the difference between the Crypto.com app and the exchange. While both are linked to the same account, they serve different purposes. The app is great for those just getting into crypto or for users who just want to buy, sell, and hold their crypto without too much hassle. It's simple, easy to use, and has a clean interface. But if you're someone who's more into serious trading and wants to get into the nitty-gritty of crypto, you'll want to look at the Crypto.com exchange. The exchange is more suited for active traders. It comes with lower fees, advanced charting tools, and better control over your trades. If you're trying to make a profit through trading, you'll want to be on the exchange because you'll get a much better deal in terms of fees and options. The app has its benefits, but when it comes to serious trading, the exchange is where you want to be. Alright, so we've covered a lot of the good stuff, but no platform is perfect. There are definitely some downsides to using Crypto.com that you need to consider before jumping in. Fees are a major downside for a lot of users. While the exchange offers lower fees compared to the app, the fees on the app can be pretty high. When I tested it, I noticed a 3% spread when buying Bitcoin, which is a significant fee. To put that into perspective, other large platforms, like Binance, offer a much lower spread, or sometimes even a 0% spread, on crypto purchases, meaning you could end up paying a lot more on Crypto.com than on other platforms. If you're just getting into crypto, these fees might not seem like a big deal. But if you're planning on making regular trades, those costs can really add up. And then there are the hidden fees. A lot of the time, Crypto.com doesn't fully disclose its fees upfront, and the spreads, which are basically the difference between the buy and sell price of an asset, can be pretty high. That means when you buy or sell crypto, you might not get as good of a deal as you expect. This is a big deal for traders who are looking to get the best possible price, and it makes Crypto.com less competitive compared to other exchanges with lower and more transparent fees. So, after everything we've discussed, should you use Crypto.com? It really depends on your needs. On the plus side, Crypto.com offers strong security, which is essential for peace of mind. It also provides a wide range of features, including the ability to buy crypto with fiat currencies, making it a solid choice for beginners. The mobile app is easy to use, and if you're just starting out, you'll find it straightforward to navigate. If you're an advanced user, the Crypto.com exchange has more tools for serious trading. However, there are a couple of downsides to consider. The fees on the app are quite high, especially compared to other platforms. If you're planning on making frequent trades, those fees can add up quickly. Also, the user interface could be more intuitive. Some users find it a little clunky, especially when looking for more advanced features. In summary, if you're new to crypto and want a simple platform, Crypto.com could work well for you. But if you're looking to trade a lot and save on fees, you might want to explore other options.